Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka niga app na ka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingpuli ka jingsio ka baret but hila ban legyu ban puli da ka education loan. Hila ruban chukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riun pranot. Lani khandai pran riu laisan, arn riwe khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell su hila banyo na barok kidukan uba Lyngdoh ubalong MLA jong ko West Shillong constituency but umintri ka sarkar jala haga khat pratrik unaitung arhasa apulai ula ai digi Shuki pulit jong ka Diengjri police station but ka Jhalurapa outpost. Haga jingalang malengkot ke balalong halum Diengjri police station, laidon lang u superintendent of police ke East Khasi Hills ubah S Nong Tenger, ki officer in charge jong kini ki artli ki thanat, kuntup yaw sector officer u Subir Sangma.
Hello, CJ, robot next one. Come. Yeah, please.
Lyngdoh. One of the SP of East Khasi Hills, Service Company, IPS.
Thank you, sir.
On behalf of the Lyngdoh PS officers and staff, I would like to take this opportunity to express our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed guest, Honorable Minister Sir Lyngdoh.
I must congratulate you for cracking down on crimes in the district. Our Busi, Kamara, IC of Diengjri, Bakriyan of the outpost, and most of you whom I know personally, Anong Spoon has been home several times. It is very difficult to think of a politician giving away chairs. As Vasudhir has mentioned, generally we talk of Kochi, but today I'm giving away chairs, and this is to acknowledge the various activities and performance of our Diengjri PS and the outpost. You certainly are in charge of one of the busiest police stations in the state with a huge deficit of manpower. And to consider that you are in charge of at least 3 constituencies, Shillong West, Shillong North, and up to Malayam, is very challenging. It's a very challenging responsibility. And these are not just civilian areas that are confined to the respective localities, but there is also a huge amount of visitors and people who are in transit entering Shillong. So, and the various criminal elements are also very active. You must be aware, I'm sure, that the amount of drug trafficking, narcotics has gone up. A lot of other unwanted activities are on the rise, and I would like to assure you that we are here to work as a team. Whenever police do not perform well, people say they are not doing their job. When you do your job well, they say, oh, he's only doing his job. That amount of appreciation is so minimal. The new government has just taken over, and it's barely 4 months now. And people are saying, why have you not done this? Why have you not done that? Things which have not been resolved in 50 years. People say, why are you not doing it? So, but that also shows that we need more doers and less of complainers. Today with technology, I can see that people are so active online, and there are those online groups where people keep chatting whole day. This is the problem, this is the issue. They keep chatting. We need people who resolve to do well and to solve the various problems that we are confronted with. Not just to complain, not just to chat. So my sincere request to all of you is keep the morale of the police high and let us fight the various evils of society. All that we need to do is strengthen our sense of commitment. I have been in constant touch with this department, and this year I'm happy that we could come to the new NDPS Act, PITS NDPS, and government has been able to promulgate the new act. Because let us not forget that we are so close to this golden triangle, so-called golden triangle, where states like Manipur are facing the brunt of the narcotics trade in Myanmar, and we are a transit point which is also facing now the serious challenge of drug trafficking. I would sincerely urge upon all of you to work with dedication and a sense of service. I have also been briefed about the deficiency of CCTVs. This will come under the Smart City project, and if there are still any other deficiencies, I'm there to fully stand by you. And as I mentioned, the police department is short of manpower, even equipment. But I assure you that it is the endeavor of the government of Nigeria. And also, personally, I'm committed to strengthening your department in whichever way. And I also seek your continued support, because people need to look up to us. There is one saying: if you are not part of the solution, then you are part of the problem. So are you part of the solution, or are you part of the problem? I'm sure you are here in your uniforms because you would like to be part of the solution. So together, let us work as a team. Let us resolve that however great our problems are as a society, we are greater than our problems. We are taller than our problems. We have the solutions to the problems. With that sense of commitment and dedication, we will be able to provide a new direction and a sense that we instill confidence in the people that we are there to protect, guide, and committed to your welfare.